welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm here today with my buddy Jordan.
Hey guys.
This is Driven by Boost. But today, guys, we are finally fixing the brake pad light on the car. We're heading over to Camille's shop. We're picking up a pigtail for the brake pad sensor. And then we're going over to Blackstar to do a little photo shoot to kind of showcase the brakes, because they're going to be doing a little distribution through Blackstar for the fellow racing brakes. So this should be a fun day today, guys. Stay tuned. Hi, Mark.
Take a photo. Time to take a trip. We head north to the border. Say you feeling.
All right, guys. So we're at Slaney Detail, Camille's shop. We're picking up the brakes, so we take them over to Blackstar, and also a little bit of a surprise. They have a Supra right-hand drive, imported from Japan. It is for sale as well. A couple shops down, it's actually one of the guys owns it, and he's selling it for around, what, 85,000?
85,000.
And it's just intercooler and exhaust, and everything else is pretty much stock.
Yep, fully stock, ready to go.
So, I mean, this thing's pretty clean, and
Clean.
It's
very clean.
yeah.
It's very clean.
Well, after you're done with it, it's super clean.
Yeah, 40,000 miles, all original, have all the paperwork for it too. Everything that's been done, it's amazing. I love it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Tuner Galleria, you said this Saturday?
Yes, it's going to be at Tuner Galleria. Oxide Auto is the company. Check them out.
Oh yeah, dude. She's pretty as hell. All right, man. Well, thanks for the brakes. Catch you later, dude.
Yes, sir.
She heavy, man. This up real quick. And that is when it's nice to have air ride. Alright guys, so here with Adrian and Larry, owner of Blackstar. We got another golfr coming in today that's getting the fellow racing big brake kit installed. I know they do offer 4-piston as well as 6-piston for the fellow racing. And Adrian, you just kind of want to explain what's going on with the brakes?
Yeah, so it's a company that's been around for a while. They make factory brakes for Kias, for the Stinger. Larry here started importing them, and we have a few sets in stock for the MQB platform. Chris has been running them on his car for a little while here. Phil's getting them installed today, so we can get some reviews on them. Great stuff, great introductory price. We're really trying to get the name out there, get some reviews and some more feedback on them.
Yeah, I mean, the brakes they're awesome. There's a real hard bite up top. We'll get Phil's opinion after we get them installed and after he takes it around the block a couple times. So guys, this is Larry over here. He is the owner of Blackstar. I just kind of want to give us a little detail what's going on with the shop and what you guys do here.
So we are two businesses in one. We are a full service distribution house. We distribute a ton of different brands from Boston wheels, ADV1 wheels, Capristo exhaust, obviously fellow brakes. We're the North American importer and distributor. We also manufacture and distribute our own line of carbon fiber parts, mostly for luxury and exotic cars and European vehicles. And then we're also a full-blown custom shop. We do everything from vehicle wraps, PPF, detailing, ceramic coating, wheels, powder coating, exhaust installs, air suspensions, regular suspensions, performance, superchargers. Basically, there's nothing we don't do. Doing this for 22 years. A lot of guys know me from my previous shop. Now it's just a passion project. We just like hooking up cars and, you know, back in. And a lot of my old staff's with me, some new guys, and we're just having fun building some cool cars. And guys, anything, come see us. Any product you guys want, we can get. If we don't have it, we'll find it. And if we can't find it, we'll make it. It's that simple.
I'll definitely leave a link for the shop in the description below. But this this shop is awesome. They do everything from performance to looks. So if you guys need anything, be sure to hit these guys up. Awesome. Well, thank you, Larry.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so we're at the back of Blackstar Distribution right now. I'm here with Phil. Phil's car is also APR Stage 3 Plus, so we have 2 APR Stage 3 Plus Golf Rs with us today. In addition, he got the Fella Racing 4-piston big brake upgrade. I know I've had mine on for maybe about a month now, and it's been a huge improvement over OEM. He just got his put on right now, so we'll probably give his initial impression. But I mean, other than that, Phil, besides the APR Stage 3 Plus kit, looks like we got some carbon fiber goodies, and anything else you want to mention specifically about your
carbon fiber goodies, all APR, sway kit, Bilstein B16s, and the like. That's about it.
Yeah, so I mean, this car is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do want a hookup on racing brakes for big brake kit, we can talk to Adrian. It's a man over there. He's running special through Blackstar. so hook him up, send him a text, send him a message on social media, and he can get you guys squared away for some good deals. All right, guys, so Phil also has a custom steering wheel from Talk Customs. He has the regular straight carbon fiber. These steering wheels are pretty awesome. They definitely transform the whole look of the car. I do recommend them. If you do want to pick one up, contact Kathy at Talk Customs. She'll hook you up with a nice steering wheel. She can customize it to anything that you really want. All right, guys, we're hopping in Phil's R. He's going to take us around the block. Going to give his first impression, kind of with how the new brakes feel. I mean, like right away, you kind of notice there's a little bit more of a bite to it.
Definitely
on
more
the top
grab
end.
just on the initially for the pedal feel.
Yeah. That sounds good. This is the APR exhaust?
Yeah, it's the APR valved exhaust. It's the one that they designed with the drone box in it, so that as you're cruising at about 3,000 or 4,000 RPM, it doesn't have that irritating hum.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
bothers you. Flip a UE here.
Sounds good. And then you're on KWs, right?
No, I'm on Bilstein B16,
Bilsteins.
so my Damptronic still works.
Okay. That's big.
Because I was a little particular for that. If I paid for it, I wanted to still have it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds good and it feels good.
Yeah, for sure. So pedal feel feels similar to the way it did before.
Okay.
It's probably more solid. I think the R stock brakes have a little bit of cushion to them.
Okay.
And these feel a little bit stronger. That, you know, if you did actually track it, it would have some more ability.
Yeah.
I think. So we'll do one more go around here.
Awesome. I think on mine, I noticed that the steering felt a little more responsive.
Yeah, it feels, like you said, a little more solid.
Yeah.
In that manner.
Yes. Oh man.
It's only a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, that's crazy. This thing definitely is a lot faster than people think it is. Especially with the 3 Plus kit, man. This thing rips.
Nope, the brakes feel good. They're
Yeah.
solid. You know, it'll take some getting used to, like I said, because I think they're a little tighter than the factory ones. which were pretty good. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they are long term.
Yeah, awesome. I mean, they're good from the factory, but these are definitely a very good improvement overall, for sure. Phil, thanks so much, man.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys. All right, so we got the pigtail plug from the OEM brakes. We're gonna install it into the sensor, so hopefully that should clear the code. They do look like that guy right there. So hopefully we can just air up the front and then we'll get them installed and the code should be cleared. So we'll try to do it. How much height we got?
I mean, as long as you can crank the wheel all the way to the right. To the right.
Your other way.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to.
No?
Oh, hold on. Nice if I had something that I could see back there. Shine it right here on top.
All right, so here's the sensor. We unfortunately can't reach it by just turning the wheel. So we're gonna lift it up a little bit later and then just plug it in and get it installed. But this is what the plug looks like. When you go aftermarket brakes, you don't use the same sensor. So you have to use this little pigtail from the OEM brakes to kind of make sure that code goes away. So we'll definitely do that later. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and if you haven't subscribed, do yourself a favor. Please subscribe, guys. We definitely appreciate it. Stay tuned for some more awesome content, and we will definitely see you on the next one. So stay tuned, guys. Are you recording?
Now I am.
Okay.